Hi guys, we are doing another video because there was this flood. Bailey shine the torch. These are really bad floods.
Look. Cal, video this.
We're in Lanark in Cardiff and oh, babe, pass me the torch. It's like the River Thames or something, I swear. We went walking, but
Well, it's fucking knee deep, literally. Right, come on, let's go show my let's go show my truck.
okay.
Come on.
So I'm going the longer way because yo! Oh my gosh!
What?
Oh my gosh!
What?
There was a deep part and I sank through it. No, my feet are freezing. Yo. And my legs are cold.
Feels like I've got frostbite.
Yeah, I know. Twigs and everywhere. Fit.
Stingies all over my face.
Literally, so we're gonna go with the lightest.
Subscribe to my channel as well.
Go subscribe to my bro's channel.
Daniel Jones, remember capital letters and spaces. So thanks. I got caught a thingy. Yeah, guys, literally, it goes all the way down there.
So this man was trying to get
Yeah,
past.
he tried to get past, he couldn't. He's fucking nice.
Yo, nah. It sinks everywhere. We gotta be careful.
This lady, she was walking her dog, she went past there, yeah, and she had to walk back. She went like by this, started sinking, so she walked back. Shit!
The story about the missing
This
dog.
like never happened before in Cardiff. I know, literally, well, it might have, but I wouldn't be able to get it out.
Yeah, I know.
Fucking tall.
I was thinking about doing that with my scooter, but yeah, it's a £50 scooter.
And
So
there'll also be another video of this on my channel.
link in description to his channel. Yo,
Yeah!
we got that because it's raining non-stop.
Yeah, true. Come on, Dan.
Pass
Okay.
me the
Non
torch.
copyright music. Cal, what are you doing? How are you gonna help? I gotta point it. Fucking, you're gonna drop the phone. Oh fuck.
It's starting to rain a bit heavier now.
Yeah.
Oh, that person was trying to get past now. I don't think you can see him. This is like, we've never seen weather like this.
Yeah, I know. We usually have really bad weather, but we've never seen like this. Fucking hell. If his phone was waterproof, he would put it in. That's what he told me. Fucking iPhone. Yo, iPhone. Shout out to my brother. Shout out to my cousin, right? Get him an iPhone 7 so you can chuck in water.
My cousin used to have a YouTube channel, but I think he deleted it.
No, it was my brother's actually.
Yeah, it was his
Go
brother's.
subscribe because I don't know what I would say what it's called, but I can't fucking remember. And also subscribe to two other channels, my best friend, Ava SM Vlogs, mine, and Abby Love. Do you have any epileptic friends? Oh, and also,
No. Yo, so
yo guys, watch my umbrella when I see a hot girl. Oh shit!
so
Yo, let's turn off this copyright fucking music before we get.
well, we gotta be careful because like
we might fall in and then we get fucked.
yeah,
None of our phones are waterproof, I don't think.
my cousin, he fell in earlier and he had to change his clothes.
Yeah, so I did have a nice pair of jeans on, but my fucking cousin didn't think so. Fucking fascist. No, when I see a hot girl, I love fashion, and I'm the best fashion. They look like he was wearing tights.
No, you're not the best fashion. Yo, Bailey,
Why did my
nearly
teacher
not-
said I could be a fashion designer then?
Bailey.
Because Savannah Harris, my